Hey guys, this is Stephanie from My 7 Words Life Coaching, and today I want to talk about fear as motivation, because a lot of people's lives is dominated by fear. We base a lot of decisions on fear. And let me just give you a quick example here. Let's say that you have a 50-50% chance of something turning out to be right or wrong. Now, I'm well aware that I have a high percentage of not succeeding, but I choose to focus on my chances of winning. So if I'm faced with a 50-50% chance, I would much rather choose to say, you know what, I have a relatively high chance to succeed. So going back to the beginning, a lot of people ask these what if questions. I also turn this around and let's do it more positively. What if I succeed? What if I can do this? What will I gain? How much stronger will I become? What are the new things that I can learn about myself through this? And if it turns out that I didn't succeed, I can perceive this as catastrophe, or I see it as a life lesson and it was a learning experience. So either way, no matter what happens, I still find something positive about the experience. The best example that I can give you here is something that I read on a Facebook page, a travel page not long ago, and it said that we wait all week for the weekend, all year for summer, and the whole life for retirement. I travel. And I thought that you can replace the last sentence with anything else, but the first 3 sentences are so true. We waste an incredible amount of time in our life for waiting. We're always waiting for something. So I had exactly the same problem a few years ago, and I wanted to create a life when I'm not waiting, when every day is a gift, and I'm happy to wake up, and I'm looking forward to the next day. And now that I reached that, now there are no waitings for weekend. I'm not waiting for summer, and I don't care about retirement, because why would I want to retire from a life that I love? So the way I feel about fear, that there is a way we can use it to motivate us well. Instead of asking the questions what if and decide otherwise, why not say that, you know, I'm so afraid of something, I want to try it, because once I went through the experience, it's no longer unknown, it will be familiar, so there's nothing to be afraid of. Even if it's not a great experience, at least I know what to expect next time. At least I'm not wondering about the what ifs, because there's no what if. You did it, you know it. And I know it's a cliche, but it's so true. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And raise your hand if you went through a really bad breakup and you're still listening to this video, right? All of us. So there are some horrible examples we go through, but they teach us great life lessons. They contribute to our personality, and we grow through them. And through the things that we don't like, we'll find out the things that we like. So fear has a great purpose if we learn to use it well, but if we choose not to try something because of fear, that could hold us back. That could prevent us from taking advantage of an opportunity. And if you decide to face a fear, number 1, you might lose that fear. Number 2, it might turn into something actually really great, like a passion. For example, I hated water. I was so afraid of it, but I went scuba diving just to face my fear, because I realized I was afraid of something I didn't know. Now it turned into passion, and now I'm a scuba diver. This was the very first time when I experienced this, and since then I've been trying to face all my fears and create opportunities out of them. So this is all in our head, whether we want to see something positive or negative, whether you want to use fear as a good motivation and try new things out, or something that will hold you back. And at one point, I decided to live my life not to wait for things, but to make them happen in the moment, because who knows how long my life is going to be. I don't want to be waiting for my retirement age. What if I only have 50 years in this life? Then I might as well make the most of it. Because before the end, I want to be able to say, I didn't just existed, I lived. So fear for me personally is a good motivation to try new things and expand my horizon and push my boundaries. And sometimes things do go wrong, and it's very easy for others to blame my way of thinking or the circumstances, or easy to say, I told you so. But bad things didn't happen because someone told me so. They could have happened even if there was a 0% chance in my mind that it could have gone wrong. So just because there's a chance that maybe something will go wrong is not gonna hold me back. Depends, if it's really, really high risk, I'll think about it twice. But if I see that no matter how wrong it goes, I'm just going to learn from it, then I just created an opportunity for myself. So let me know what you guys think about this. And if you like the video, please share it with those who need to hear these words, and have an awesome and very brave day. Bye.